Hello and thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to take a look at this Hansgrohe Jolena pressure balance trim, and this one is in chrome. So let's take a look at what you get when you buy this. This is going to be an unboxing video basically because it is recommended that you actually have a professional install this in your bathroom. It does come with instructions, English, French, Spanish, instructions on how to install it. It has very nice pictures on it. So this first item is what goes on your wall. It comes with a tool. Here's the handle. It's nice and heavy, so it's good material. Hardware included. So you have some screws, some plastic, some made out of metal. You have other tools and other screws. And it gives you a direction where this goes up. It does have the hot symbol here, 0 to hot. These are made very well. This is the one that's plastic. So you have everything you need so you can install this in your bathroom. Hope this helps you in any way. Enjoy.